Do you think your pet is comfortable in your car? The truth is most pets are actually stressed, thirsty, and not truly safe during car rides. Here are 15 must-have car gadgets that can completely transform your pet's travel experience. Welcome to Quincy Gadgets, where you'll discover smart car gadgets and must-have pet essentials to keep every ride safer, cleaner, and more comfortable. Turn your messy back seat into a clean, cozy space your pet will actually enjoy. This seat cover protects against fur, scratches, and dirt while giving your dog or cat a soft, stable surface to rest on. Instead of slipping around during turns or sudden stops, your pet can relax comfortably like they're lying on their own bed. It's not just about keeping your car clean, it's about creating a safe, stress-free zone where your pet feels secure throughout the journey. Sudden brakes or sharp turns can easily scare or injure your pet. A car seat belt or harness keeps them securely in place, preventing dangerous movement while you drive. It reduces anxiety by giving them a sense of stability and protection. Instead of pacing or jumping around, your pet stays calm and safe. For you, it means fewer distractions. For them, it means a smoother, more secure ride every time you hit the road together. Don't skip the last few gadgets, especially number 13. It could literally save your pet's life in a worst-case scenario. Small dogs often feel anxious when they can't see what's going on outside. A booster seat lifts them up, giving them a better view of the world beyond the window. This simple change can dramatically reduce stress and motion sickness. Your pet becomes more engaged, curious, and relaxed during the ride. It transforms car trips from something scary into something exciting, like a little adventure they actually look forward to. Long car rides without water can quickly make your pet uncomfortable and dehydrated. A portable water bottle lets you hydrate them anytime, anywhere with zero hassle. Whether you're stuck in traffic or on a road trip, your pet stays refreshed and energized. It's a small item that makes a huge difference in their comfort, helping prevent overheating and fatigue while keeping them happy throughout the journey. Feeding your pet on the go shouldn't be complicated. A collapsible bowl is lightweight, compact, and ready whenever your pet needs it. Whether it's food or water, you can maintain their routine even while traveling. That consistency helps reduce anxiety and keeps them feeling at ease. It's especially useful during long trips where familiar habits can make all the difference in your pet's comfort and overall well-being. Quick tip: the next gadget is something most pet owners completely overlook, but once you see it, you can't travel without it. Stay with me, because the next one solves a problem you didn't even realize your pet has. If you prefer something softer and more flexible, a car net barrier is a great option. It gently prevents your pet from moving forward while still allowing them to feel free and comfortable. Unlike rigid barriers, it blends into the car interior and is easy to install. It's perfect for pets who get anxious with hard boundaries but still need a safe limit during the ride. When pets try to climb into the front seat, it creates serious safety risks. This adjustable barrier keeps them securely in the back without making them feel trapped. The open design allows airflow and visibility while maintaining a clear boundary. Your pet gets their own space, and you stay focused on driving. It's a simple upgrade that significantly improves safety for both you and your furry companion. Jumping in and out of a car can strain your pet's joints, especially for small, older, or injured dogs. A ramp or stair makes entry and exit smooth and effortless. It protects their joints and reduces the risk of injury over time. This is one of those upgrades that shows real care for your pet's long-term health, making every trip safer and more comfortable for them. Pet hair can quickly take over your car interior, making it uncomfortable for everyone. A good hair remover makes cleanup fast and easy, restoring a fresh and tidy space. A clean environment isn't just about looks. It helps your pet feel more relaxed and prevents buildup that can cause odors or allergies. It keeps your car enjoyable for both you and your furry passenger. Pets love sticking their heads out the window, but it's not always safe. A vent guard allows fresh air to flow in while preventing your pet from jumping out or getting stuck. It creates a balance between freedom and safety, letting them enjoy the breeze without the risk. It's a simple solution that makes a big difference in protecting your pet during drives. A portable carrier acts like a safe, familiar space for your pet while traveling. It reduces anxiety by giving them a sense of security, especially in unfamiliar environments. Whether you're heading to the vet or on a long trip, your pet can relax in their own little home. This helps them stay calm, rest better, and adapt more easily to movement and new surroundings. We're getting into the most important gadgets now. These can seriously improve your pet's safety on every trip. Don't miss the next one. It might be the one gadget that saves you the most stress while traveling. Cars can heat up quickly, even on mild days. A cooling mat helps regulate your pet's body temperature, preventing overheating and discomfort. It provides instant relief, allowing your pet to lie down and stay cool throughout the trip. This is especially important during summer or long drives, where heat can become dangerous faster than you might expect. Unexpected situations can happen anytime during travel. A pet first aid kit ensures you're prepared to handle minor injuries or emergencies quickly. Having it within reach gives you peace of mind and allows you to protect your pet when it matters most. It's not something you use every day, but when you need it, it's absolutely essential. Losing your pet, even for a moment, is every owner's nightmare. A GPS tracker lets you monitor their location in real time, giving you instant peace of mind. Whether they slip out during a stop or wander off, you'll always know where they are. It turns a potentially stressful situation into something manageable and controlled. You can't always turn around to check on your pet while driving. A car pet camera lets you monitor them in real time, making sure they're safe and comfortable. It reduces your worry and helps you react quickly if something seems off. Staying connected to your pet, even while driving, makes every trip smoother and more reassuring. Unpleasant smells can quickly ruin the comfort of your car. An odor eliminator keeps the air fresh and clean, making the ride enjoyable for both you and your pet. A pleasant environment helps reduce stress and makes every trip feel better. It's a small finishing touch that completes the perfect pet-friendly car setup. Traveling with your pet shouldn't be stressful, for you or for them. With the right gadgets, every ride becomes safer, cleaner, and far more comfortable. Because at the end of the day, they're not just passengers, they're family. Which of these gadgets are you already using? Or did we miss something your pet absolutely loves? Drop a comment below and let's help every pet travel safer and happier. Then see you in the next video.
We're a team passionate about discovering the smartest and most useful car gadgets. Our mission is simple: help you drive safer, smarter, and better every day.